Is being an electrician in Djibouti well paid? The average salary of an electrician in Djibouti is $6,100 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before the government takes its share. After tax, that drops to $5,200, which leaves you with a take-home pay of about $433 every month. People who live in bigger cities usually bring home noticeably more, so an electrician's salary in Djibouti City adds up to $6,100 after tax. While that looks like a much better electrician income, the higher cost of living in the capital takes away most of that extra gain. How much does an electrician make in Djibouti when starting out? An entry-level electrician wages sit well below the main average, but pay goes up quickly as you gain skills. It often stays flat later, unless you move into supervision. Having a university degree helps you earn substantially higher pay because it lets you move into better roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, international companies pay higher average electrician pay than small local firms.